both my hands back. Wanna know why? Because I finally got my Galaxy Fawn Girl account on my phone. So, yeah. Yay! And the way I did it, guess the way I did it! I downloaded Hangouts on my phone and created it. So today, I'm going to be telling you how I made this long sticky slime. So, okay, let me go get the container because it has to have a lot of explaining. Okay, that was the container. So the way I made this is I bought Flarp. Yes, I bought Flarp. Hold on. Oh god, it's sticky. Okay. So yes, I bought Flarp. Noise putty. And then I put a bunch of toothpaste tubes in it. Mixed it in. And then that is how I made it. And then listen. It's not as sticky as it was. I'm sorry, I'm quiet again. It's just so satisfying. And that's how I made Fluffy, because like this is like so soft. Fluffy slime. Also, I want to test something with this Flarp right here. So let me move that Flarp slime aside. And now the messages are phones, the few that looked at me. Heartache from the pain, from the beauty. Believer, believer. Pain, you bring me the believer, believer. Grandma, they're singing my song. It's not really my song, guys. It's just one of my favorites. My van. Me a believer, believer. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back. I've got it. Homemade slime. I want to see. It doesn't work. Okay. This, though, farts. Sorry for the background noise. It's probably the TV. Oh, oops, guys, sorry. So, guys, guess what my cousin thought that they could do to my trailer toy? They thought they could put their slime, Flarp slime with toothpaste in it, into my thing. Well, now look at it. I threw all that I could away. And, well, now it's ruined. Thanks a lot, Walker. Anyways, back to the cool stuff. Instead of the babies. I got a ticket for a long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I've got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to view shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. My finger. Okay, I'm sorry. I got distracted. I probably didn't even sing that right. Good thing it doesn't stick to cloth. Oh, poop. Oh, no. Okay, I got it. I got most of it off.